This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rachel Kosmak. Experience luxury living in this beautifully upgraded 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom residence in the heart of Fort Lauderdale along the New River. This modern home features an open floor plan with elegant wood floors, a sleek kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and the convenience of an in-unit washer/dryer. Enjoy stunning sunset views from your private balcony. Designed for move-in ready comfort and convenience, this residence offers a seamless lifestyle with spacious closets and a functional layout perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Located in a premier resort-style community, residents enjoy top-tier amenities, a heated pool with cabanas, hot tub, barbecue area, fitness center, yoga room, billiard room, and a business center. Includes 24-hour security, concierge, and 1 covered parking space. Unbeatable location moments from Las Olas shopping, dining, nightlife, Fort Lauderdale Beach, local parks, and major highways. For more information, review the details below or contact Rachel Kosmak at 954-491-3100.